Today I will show you how to transfer photos, videos, share it in iPhone from iPhone to Android device. For this I have two devices. In my right hand I have iPhone and in my left hand I have Android device. So friends, first you have to open the application from the two device. First I have opened SHAREit from my Android device, and secondly I have opened SHAREit application from iPhone device. And here you have seen the home page of SHAREit. Now I have tap on receive from Android device, and then I tap on send in iPhone device. Now I select a photo from this and then tap on OK. Now you have to go in your iPhone mobile. You have to go in settings, then tap on Wi-Fi. Here you have seen choose a network, then you click on this network. It's and it's connected with the Android device. Now we have to go back in SHAREit in iPhone device. Now you have seen this unknown device. Now I pair with it, and you can see that there have transferred two photos from iPhone to Android device. So friends, this is the way that's you can I can share with you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for new videos. Thanks.